Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to equip Persona in Dota 2, step by step, so you can start customizing your heroes in no time. Step 1. Equipping a Persona in Dota 2 is very simple. First, click the Heroes tab at the top of your screen. You'll see all the available heroes. Select the one you want to equip the Persona on, then click Customize. Step 2. Once you're in the Customize menu, you'll find the Persona option available if you own one. Click on it to preview the persona, which changes your hero's appearance, animations, and sometimes even voice lines. Step 3. If you have more than one persona or cosmetic option for that hero, the Equip button will show up instead of a price. Just click Equip to activate the persona instantly. Step 4. If you don't see the Equip option and instead see a price tag, that means you haven't unlocked the persona yet. You'll need to purchase it from the Dota 2 store or unlock it through special events or battle passes. After equipping, the persona will automatically be used the next time you select that hero in a match. You can always switch back to the default look anytime by repeating the same steps and deselecting the persona. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Dota 2 tips.